Hey, welcome to this quick tutorial where I'll be showing you how to use GNU Make. You can use GNU Make to make Makefiles which can be used to automate build scripts. You can run shell scripts or compilation targets for specific C programs, which can make compilation of C programs and building software a lot easier. Make is a powerful but simple tool. So let's get started. Firstly, we need to make a source directory which will contain our C program. So let's get started. Let's make a directory called source. Now we have a directory called source. Let's move into it. Now we are in source right now and need to make a C file with a simple hello world program. So nano main.c. So we'll be loading the standard input output file, and then goes our main function, and then printf hello world return 0. Okay, so that's our C file. And if you're not used to using a Makefile, you would probably type gcc -o main C and compile that and then run it. But Make offers a much more better way to automate this process. So for this, you need to create a Makefile. Let's use nano and make that Makefile too. So Make contains installation target or build targets where you can specify specific commands where the GNU Make will execute whatever you need to do. So I'm going to make a target called install, and it will be targeting main.c file, and what we'll be doing is we'll be compiling this main.c file and create a executable called main. That's our installation target. And suppose oh wait one second, actually we'll use a let's create a directory called dist and put this main executable file into this dist folder. And let's say I've found some errors, or if I want to remove the executable, I can just specify a clean target and just rf dist. So what I'm doing is when I'm specifying an install target, it's gonna build a directory called dist, and then it will run the gcc compilation command and put this main executable file inside the dist folder. And let's say if I don't want to have this dist folder and the executable and want to clean my folder, I can just run make clean. We'll be seeing this just in a moment. Let's save this file. Okay, so what we need to be running is make install. You can see that it did something, and we'll have our dist folder where we'll be having our executable file. Now let's move into dist. You can see that we have the executable right here. Let's run this executable. Yes, you can see that it does run the executable. Let's say I don't want this executable or this dist file anymore. I can just use the clean target that I specified in the make file. So let's run make clean, and you can see that it ran the remove command on this directory, and you can see that that directory no longer exists. This is basically the gist of Makefile using GNU Make. You can go for much complex stuff. You can run shell scripts, or you can run more compilation targets, not just C. You can run it for many different languages. You can use apt to install packages. You can do much more with Make, and it's a lot less complicated, and it's fairly simple to use it. It's almost so simple that even a beginner could do it, and I much more recommend this if you are a beginner C programmer who's also learning how to make development programs like software programs using C. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped you. Please drop a like and a subscribe or a follow.